Sir, what is the syllabus for CA1, sir?
It will be declared by your regular faculties, those who are taking the class on theory. So let me solve the problems. Maybe many of the problems you have solved in case of your improper integration. So you have already evaluated this type of problem, and you have seen also that how to solve this one. Whenever we are going to evaluate this problem, we transform the integration to the definite integral, and then we take the limit as the definite integral limit tends to infinity. So this one, if we come to that integration, it will look like your integration 1 to infinity fx dx, that is your ln x by x square dx. Now to evaluate this one, we are taking the limit, transform it first into the definite integral, that is 1 to b ln x by x square dx, and then we take the limit as b tends to infinity. Okay. The things is so then you can evaluate this integration. You know how to evaluate this one. So I'm not going to that evaluation. I'm just giving you the idea what is going on and what we are taking in this by this process. If you come to that curve, so if the curve is for the point x equals to 1, you have that is equals to 1 and that is 0. That is for x equals to 1, you have x equals to 1, you have the curve something like that. It will goes on, later on it will come to like something. So if you take, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, then we are finding out the area under the curve. So if it is goes as x tends to infinity, then it will not be possible for us to find out the area under this curve. So for this we are taking some finite value, that is some value b herein. Then we are finding the area under this curve. After getting that value, we are tending that b tends to infinity. So that gives you the area under this curve as a whole from 1 to infinity. So now if therefore after finding this value from integration 1 to b ln x by x squared dx, whether that is your finite or whatever be that value will come in terms of your b, then you have to take that b tends to infinity. If that limit is your exist, then only we can say that the value of this
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, you are not audible.
You are not audible, sir.
So we are at this point. So if you are going to find out the limit of this integrated value, then if we are getting that value is to be your finite, then we can say that the value of this integration is also finite, and that is your conversion. So if you evaluate, you will get that value to be something like 1. The process of evaluation I'm not going.
Yes, sir.
If we come to the another problem, it is area under the curve.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, you are not audible and your screen got stuck.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, my internet connection is making difficulties. So it is from.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. So we're going to integrate from x equals to 0 to x equals to 1. So again, if we consider the evaluation of this integration, then we have that integration from 0 to 1 fx dx, that is 1 by root x dx, and that we can evaluate because we have to eliminate this point 0. At this point the function is not continuous, so we have to take the integration from some positive quantity epsilon to 1, then 1 by under root of x dx as limit epsilon tends to 0. And then after again, if you are going to compute that the limit is your finite and give some value, then we can say it is your the integration is your convergent. So again, if you draw the graph of this, the things is look like this. We are integrating from 0 to 1. So at the point 0, the function is not defined. So we take some value epsilon, which is very close to your 0 and between 1. Then if the area will be something like this, we take that as epsilon tends to 0, which is close to this point. If that area will be your finite, then we can say that the area of this integration, and this value will come to your 2. So similarly, many problems you can do by yourself. That is number 3, test for convergency. Let's see, integration 0 to 1 dx by 1 minus x. If you take that integration in this case, this graph is for the point x equals to 0, it is your finite, but that gives you your 1. X equals to 0, that gives you your 1. And if you are taking that the value between 0 and 1, it comes to something like that. So the region is unbounded, and we are considering here from your 0 to 1. It is 0 to 1, and at the point 1 the function is not defined, so we have that is your x, that is 1. So therefore if you are taking in between this your 0 to 1, we may get that this one is your divergent. This one is your divergent, because area will not be your finite. If you evaluate,
Sir, one doubt.
yes.
Sir, how are you telling it convergent or divergent without performing the mu test?
No, every time we no need to be do that mu test. You have the limits, you have the integration. Just you take that at the point, find out the point of discontinuity in this type of integration. Then you have to exclude that point. Then after that exclusion, you take the evaluate the limit as of your definite integral, and then you take the limit as epsilon tends to 0. In this case, if you are considering that 1 is the point, so what you have then, you have limit
1
epsilon tends to 0, integration 0 to 1 minus epsilon, and then dx by 1 minus x. So if you take that limit as your this one, that comes to something your limit epsilon tends to 0, you have that ln of 1 minus x minus, you have the limit 0 to 1 minus epsilon. So for 0 you have that is your 1, which gives you finite value 0, but for your 1 minus epsilon it comes to ln epsilon. So that is minus of minus plus, so you have that limit epsilon tends to 0 ln of epsilon, which does not exist. Or we can say that in this case is your divergent. Okay, so because you can see that the area will not be bounded. Okay, so we could not find out that area under this.
Also, problems on the mu test, I cannot get it properly.
Yes.
Can you solve some problems of the mu test? I could not get that.
No, I have not taken any problem from your mu test. I have taken only the problems with your test of convergency.
Sir, I have problems that how to find that mu. X to the power mu, that mu how will find.
X to. Okay, if you have any problem, you tell me. I try to solve it.
Yes, sir. In assignment PDF,
Problem
one
that when you are
question
doing X per mu, that mu is the problem.
Problem?
1 minute, sir.
Sir, I have facing a problem, sir, to evaluate a integral. Can I ask? Integral over
Ask.
zero to infinity dx by root over 1 plus x square.
1 plus x square. Dx by 1 plus x square. Now you can see that this is your improper integration because the limit comes to your infinite. So we must be changed into the finite one. That is your limit as b tends to then integral to b dx by 1 plus x square.
Sir, what
Now
are
once you have that integration transform into the definite integral, so you can use the property of your definite integration.
Sir, your screen is
Have then
freezed.
limit.
Sir, root
Yes,
under 1 plus
screen
x
has been passed.
Slide stop.
Yes, sir.
nothing is visible, sir? What you are writing?
Screen has been passed, sir.
Okay. So then to your tan inverse x. If you consider that the definite integral property, you have the tan inverse x 0 to b.
No, sir.
So
No,
this
sir.
comes to your limit.
Sir, it is root under 1 plus x square. Dx by root under 1 plus x square.
Okay, I will come to that one again.
Sir, please
So
show the
that
previous
tends to
question again, sir.
infinity.
Question number 3, sir.
6. I will come to that later. So that is your tan inverse b 0. So as tan inverse that comes to perfect.
It's not visible.
Sir, slide not visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not
So your voice is also
Yes, sir,
going
it
to
is
be
not visible, sir.
It is not visible.
Is it now visible?
No, sir. It's
No, sir.
Sir, screen is visible, but it is freezed, sir.
It is visible, but
yes, sir.
It is
what
visible, but
now is not
nothing is
What you are seeing
not
actually.
visible.
minus infinity to infinity integral.
the
That's
problem number 4.
Problem 4 minus
Number
infinity
4.
minus infinity to infinity.
Okay. I'm sharing again. Is it now visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
sir. It's coming.
Writing the problem, you have integration 0 to infinity dx by under root of 1 plus x square.
Sir,
Yes.
your screen is blank, sir.
Pura black, sir.
black,
We
sir.
are seeing a
Not
screen, sir.
visible.
Yes, sir. Your screen is full black.
Yes, sir.
So there is some internet related issue, sir.
Yeah, we'll see that problem again today. Is it now visible to you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, still black.
Okay. So what will I do? Will I continue in this way or will be rescheduled this one?
No, sir. In
Sir,
Saturday,
if we,
J section have a lot of extra classes.
There are a lot of
We
extra
will not able to do.
extra classes.
Yes.
Okay, so Sunday,
No, sir,
So,
please,
sir,
we have exams.
is
We
it
have
possible on
Saturday,
Sunday?
Sunday, and Saturday both.
yes,
we
sir,
already
sir,
have
we have
having
exams,
extra
sir.
classes, sir.
And we are
And
also
we have
having
On
exams.
Sunday?
To prepare for exams, sir.
But we have to prepare
Sunday, sir,
for
please,
exams.
sir.
On Saturday,
One by one, you tell me that on Sunday is it possible on Saturday? Is it possible?
If possible
Okay,
today.
sir.
No, sir, it is not
We have
possible.
extra
You can
class,
do on
sir.
Sunday,
Section
sir.
eight.
No, sir.
Today.
So we are preparing for exams, sir. We have from next week, so we will prepare, sir.
You can share the slides of
When you have your exam?
from
Monday.
Monday.
From the next week, sir.
From
Monday to Friday.
From Monday, sir.
And J section have
From
also
Monday to Friday.
a lot of extra
Even
classes.
Yes,
Thursday,
sir.
do you
Monday
have
to
any
Friday.
Thursday?
Every day has
That is on the
exams, sir,
next
but
week.
We have
half an hour.
Okay. So you see once more that is it possible to be visible to you?
Maybe it is visible to us after.
Yes.
Sir, once.
Is it now visible to you?
Sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
It's the
no,
blank
sir.
screen.
Rejoin the
No,
meeting.
sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Rejoin the meeting.
Reaching the meeting. Okay.
Yes, sir. Rejoin.
हाँ चले गए.
भाई लेकिन तुम लोगों ने ज्वाइन कैसे किया? वहां पे तो ज्वाइन का ऑप्शन ही नहीं शो हो रहा था.
नहीं शो हो रहा था. लगता है
चैट में भाई, चैट में.
नहीं भाई, कैंसिल के ऊपर एक पिन थ्रू था बस.
अटेंडेंस में शो नहीं, कैलेंडर में शो नहीं हो रहा. सीआर की बद्दुआ लग गई. लगता है क्लास कैंसिल.
अरे यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या है,
दुआ नहीं
कैलेंडर में
मिस
कैंसिल लिखता है,
तो
कैंसिल
क्लास कब होगा फिर?
मतलब कैंसिल नहीं है, ऐसे करता है. मतलब गजब हाल है इन लोग का.
हाँ कैलेंडर में तो हमने
आ गए यार.
कैंसिल करेगा ऐसे लाइन.
कैलेंडर मत देखा करो.
कैंसिल है. आज लिंक आ जाता है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. पता चलेगा.
हाँ, हाँ, वही.
इनसे नहीं पता चलेगा. देखना तो कैलेंडर ही है.
अरे कैलेंडर बेकार है भाई. लिखा था ना, इसलिए हम सब ने सोचा कि कैंसिल.
कैलेंडर मत देखा करो.
कैलेंडर मत देखा. कैलेंडर में अभी तो लिखा रहता है कैंसिल है. मतलब लिंक आ
काम नहीं आता. जो टाइम टेबल है उसके हिसाब से तो 9 AM से क्लास है ना मैथ्स की ट्यूटोरियल.
हाँ टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से तो 9 से.
और यहाँ पे 8:30 से चालू हो जाता है.
भाई टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से हमको तो 12:45 छोड़ देना चाहिए था कल. लेकिन हम छोड़े कब? 1:25 पर.
क्लास अटेंड करना और छोड़ने में डिफरेंस है.
Now you tell me that do you have any free time for the second half after 2 p.m.?
No, sir. We have mechanics class.
One reply
For continuously 3 hours we have class.
3 hours practical class, sir.
And J section have graphics.
Okay.
Practical class.
Tomorrow do you have any free time?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Exams are.
Sir, exams are
Preparing for
Okay.
the
Sunday do you have